So I'm out at Woolooware today for a customer. Basically what's happened, they've given us a call because they're doing some work at the front of the property here. It's a block of units, right? But this is an old lead-in cable coming in, and they've basically, when they've done the installation originally, they've just laid the conduit, you know, loose on top of the concrete here. And as you can see here, this is a trip hazard, right? So anyone walking through here could trip on that, fall over, break their skull. Not good, right? So that's just going to an old IDF here inside this cupboard, which I sort of even think that might not be legal either, because it's so close to all the power and the actual, you know, stuff. So I'd have to double check that. But what they wanted to do is, what they wanted me here today is because they wanted to remove this trip hazard part here, extend the conduit to around the back, and then come in this way, so there is no trip hazard, no one's going to hurt themselves. But this is old. This is probably done by Telstra back in the day, or one of their contractors. But you know, that should be under the concrete there. Now I popped the pit open because what I wanted to do is see if they had enough length on the actual starter where it's coming in, the conduit here. But you can see there's no length on that. That's actually been pulled through to the maximum where the joint's almost getting pulled into the hole. And as you can see, that pit is full of water. So I'm making this video because, you know, if we could, you know, chisel in a new conduit and do all that for the customer, but the problem we're going to have is we're not allowed to enter their joints. So coordinating with NBN or Telstra or any of them, for them to come out on the day, and we can put a new cable in, that's no problem, but for them to cut it over and do the put it into the new joint and, you know, repair everything back up, that's going to take some coordination. So I know we've got some Telstra guys and some NBN guys here on the channel, so if one of you want to get in contact with us and work out if there's a way that we can do this for this customer, because as you can see, this is a trip hazard, and if anyone crowns himself, you know who they're going to be coming after. All right, so yeah, let us know. Hey guys, it's Jason here from Telecom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.